Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how to open React Native application in your Android Studio. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. Now I will run my Android Studio. Click on open. Desktop. Here turn to code. Select my application and open it. Trust project. Here we have successfully opened our project, and if you want to open another project, then you can simply click on open and follow the path as it is. Have followed. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.